Look at that circle.
Yeah. This circle with a heart. A heart?
Is that a heart?
No.
No.
That's a heart.
Is that a heart?
Nope.
No.
That's a heart.
Looks kind of like a triangle. Can you draw an L?
L?
An L for Luca?
Luca?
Look at that.
E-A-L.
Yeah, it's an L. Can you draw a U? Look at you.
He said the C.
See? Look at that.
That's C. A.
Where are you going to put the A? Over there? Okay.
That's not A.
That's not an A. Can you draw an A?
Oh, thank you. That's not A.
Can you draw an A? Do you remember what it looks like?
What is that?
You got 3 dots. What does that make?
A triangle.
Okay, that's impressive.
A triangle.
That is impressive.
It's a triangle.
You're not even 3. What was that? That is a beautiful triangle.
Wow.
Wow.
It's a triangle.
Yes.
Triangle circle.
Can you draw an S?
That's not S.
That's not an S. Can you draw an S? Wow. All right.
The S.
Yeah.
It's right.
And what sound does the S make? What sound does the S make?
It's right.
The S says, right on.
E T.
A T.
A T.
What about W?
You.
U.
That's not you.
That was a U. There's a U.
Little L.
That's L for Luca.
2 letters. Little letters.
What's that?
That's not E.
But it looks like an F.
No.
No, you don't want that? Okay. You gonna draw an E?
E.
Whoa! Look at you!
He got E. Yeah, F.
Wow!
E, F.
That's great!
Oh, E, circle.
Circle!
Oh, E, L.
L.
U.
You?
Oh, E, U.
How do you spell Luca?
Wow.
L.
L.
Can you spell Luca?
Oh, really? A V. Yeah, V. Pretty good. That's V.
A V. But why?
A what? I tried the triangle.
Is there a triangle? Look at that square. It's fantastic. How many squares?
1, 2. 2 squares.
Very good.